Today we're frying up largemouth bass fillets in central Mississippi with a simple southern fry seasoning. Along with your fresh fish fillets, you'll need to mix up a simple seasoning with white cornmeal, salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. You can even add a bit of cayenne or chipotle if you want to kick it up a notch. Heat peanut oil until it reaches 350 degrees. If it's a little over, that's okay. The temperature will drop once you add the fish fillets. We like to use a Thermopin Mark IV. It gives instant readings and it's very accurate. What you want to do is roll your fish fillets in your southern fry seasoning until they are well coated. Shake off the excess and drop into your peanut oil. It's a good idea to pat dry your fish with a paper towel before seasoning to keep the seasoning from clumping up on the fish. Stagger your seasoned fish when you place it into the oil to prevent it from sticking together. If your fish does start to clump together, use a slotted spoon or tongs to gently move the fish apart from the oil. Be careful as some fish are delicate and they could break while frying. After 2 to 4 minutes of frying or an internal temperature of 145 degrees, you'll see the fish turn a nice golden brown. Remove from the oil and place on a platter lined with paper towels. Season with sea salt and enjoy southern fried fish. Easy, right?